My name is Brad Allen. I'm an agricultural pilot here in the Imperial Valley. I fly for Custom Ag, and we spray crops. We put fungicide, herbicide, and insecticides on crops via helicopter. Basically try to keep them healthy and keep the bugs off them. What I was doing was called a pre-flight inspection. It's something that every pilot does before he flies to make sure that the aircraft is airworthy, that we have all the operating fluids we need. That would include our gearbox oil in both the main rotor gearbox, tail rotor gearbox. Our helicopters are equipped with hydraulics, so we need to check the hydraulic fluid as well, the engine oil, check the engine itself, check the components of the helicopter, make sure nothing has been damaged. Once we feel like the helicopter is airworthy and that it will be able to fly safely, then we'll go ahead and make the call to go on the mission.
This suit is flame resistant, just in case things go awry. Clear.
One day, when I was in my hometown, I saw an ad in the mall about a helicopter school, and I'd never thought of flying helicopters before, but decided to check it out. Went down on my birthday and got a flight with an instructor and loved it. Went home and told my wife how much I liked it. She said she'd never seen me excited about anything else, this excited, you know, so I decided that was a sign and jumped in with both feet. My most memorable experiences, mainly memorable because it scared me to death, was I was flying at night. We do a lot of night work here. And was flying low level, spraying some alfalfa, and a pheasant came up out of the field. And before I saw it and could recognize what it was, it actually came through the windscreen of the helicopter. So I was flying at night and trying to follow a GPS, and all of a sudden I just remember feathers everywhere. And for a minute or two, my visibility was really inhibited. I didn't really know what happened, so I went back and landed. And the ground crew came over, they reached through the hole in the windscreen and pulled out the pheasant, put it aside. And yeah, that was the most memorable experience for me. I've always been attracted to aviation. I like the science behind it, I like the adventure, I like the thrill of flying, I like the beauty of being able to see the earth from above. Everything that I like is found in aviation. It's a thrill to be involved with.